Hi everyone, Kate Langford here, Kate Langford Business Consulting. It's been a crazy few weeks. I've just got back from Newcastle. We've done Ballina, we've done Rocky Mackay, Townsville, and I've been doing these workshops on all things business basics. So basically all about small business, how to get those fundamentals and foundations perfect so that you can either start a business and get that right, or maybe you've been in a business for a year or two and making sure that you get those things right in order to skyrocket because you're getting a bit stuck. So today I want to talk about, and by the way, before I do that, I am doing a live on this workshop that I've done around the country. I'm doing it live online this Friday at 4 p.m. So bring your wine, bring your drink of choice, bring your cheese, and let's sit down and talk about business basics, imposter syndrome, and how to find those leads. And maybe you're just sitting there in your corporate job and you're thinking, you know what, I really want to start this business, I just don't know how. That's literally what I teach. So I'm really excited to go live. There's been a lot of people saying, are you coming here, are you coming there, Perth, Melbourne? I haven't got there this round, so I have decided to jump online Friday at 4 p.m. to do this workshop for you. So come on in. I will post the link actually in this as well. So I want to kind of just have a really quick chat about imposter syndrome. It was one of the biggest things when I was traveling around the country doing these workshops, is that imposter syndrome is what holds a lot of people back when it comes to starting their business. You know, they think, I'm not good enough, no one will buy from me. Am I kidding myself to think I could actually be a business owner? You know, my family or friends think that I'm silly. All of those things are very normal. Very normal, in fact. You know, when I first started business, it was the same thing for me. I left my corporate job after, 15, 16 years and had 2 kids and started in my garage all by myself. But the difference is it's bigger than you. You got to remember, what am I actually wanting to do here? And if you can make it outside of yourself and go, these people need me, or I need to do this, and it's almost like an urge that you have to, that's when you know you've got something, you just need the tools on the how, which is obviously what I help with. But I just want you to be mindful of that imposter, and that it's not always necessarily real. It's actually workplace traumas, and we've all got them. Maybe certain people in our life aren't supportive. Maybe it's none of it's even real anyway. Maybe you're just sitting there and you're going about your way in Groundhog Day, and your self-worth is kind of dropping. And it tends to happen a lot with employers. Unfortunately, play havoc with our imposter syndrome, because then we think that we're not good enough. And so if you're in a workplace too long and you're starting to feel really, you've lost yourself a bit, you don't know if you can do it, you're feeling that anxiety when you go to work every day, you're not sure if you can, or am I good enough, or, you constantly keep hitting that ceiling, not being seen or heard. They are some of the big things that workplace trauma is hanging around. And I'm just putting a label on it today, but it is 100% workplace trauma. Anyway, we help with all of that stuff. So yeah, if you do want to come and join the live with me tomorrow, 4 o'clock, bring your wine, bring your drink of choice. I'm going to talk about all things imposter and other things. So I'll pop the link below here just to directly put your email and phone number in there and name, and you're straight in. So you'll get the reminders in the email. So we have, as soon as I launched this yesterday, because I'm only sending it out to people on my email as well as my community, I'm not really going out further than that. I think we had about 50 people register in about 10 minutes. So I'm really excited to jump on here. There's a lot of people that are keen and hungry for this. So I've decided to go online to do the same workshop that I've done around the country. So if you have seen me live in the last few weeks around the country, it is the same one, but feel free to come in. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer those as well. But otherwise, have an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you all tomorrow at 4 o'clock. See ya.